So today we've managed to get our hands on an RTX 4070 Super. We're going to get hash rates and overclocks for 10 different coins in under 5 minutes. If you guys are into that, let's do it. So real quick, just before we get into this, you can see the first coin here is DYNEX. Now this 4070 Super is actually insane with the memory bus on this thing. We can actually push it to 10,251, which is like absurd. But if you knock it down to like the normal 5,000, you'll roughly get around the same efficiency per watt. So just yeah, I just went balls to the wall in this video, so I'm going to do everything like that. You guys will see the clocks here in just a second, but DYNEX 6.516 kilohashes at 114 watts in the software using 1.0 miner. For Ethereum Classic, we have 56.91 mega hashes at 115 watts in the software using LOL miner. ALEPHIUM, we have 2.503 giga hashes at 155 watts in the software using REGAL miner. KARLESEN, we have 1.911 giga hashes at 136 watts in the software using LOL miner. PYRIN, we have 8.928 giga hashes at 178 watts in the software using LOL miner. NEXA, we have 131.6 mega hashes at 196 watts in the software using LOL miner. Radiant, we have 1.501 giga hashes at 143 watts in the software using G miner. FLUX, we have 98.13 souls at 162 watts in the software using mini Z miner. ERGO, we have 123.7 mega hashes at 74 watts in the software using G miner. And last but not least, we have RAVENCOIN over here at 14.55 mega hashes at 80 watts in the software using G miner. So that's gonna do it. Let me know what you guys think about this format video. Just short, sweet, to the point. Also, huge shout out to my man Joker Miner. Thank you so much for allowing me to test your 4070 Super. Let me know in the comments if you guys have one of these GPUs and if you're actually shocked about the 10,251 overclock on the memory bus. It must be absolutely insane. I don't have one personally, but I might actually get out there and buy one. I don't know, we'll have to see. But anyways, guys, if you want to see anything else or any other coins, please just leave it down in the comments below and I'll respond to you as quick as I can. And until next time, I'll catch you guys real soon. Peace out.